So it's held on by these clips. They're all around. Just be careful not to bend the wood. It will crack. Okay. Okay, now we're going to be using a T20 Torx. And there is a hidden screw behind this plastic cover. There's the screw. It's a T20 Torx. We're using this plastic wedge tool to wedge it in between and start pulling it apart. Now you have to disconnect all the plugs. Alright, so you're gonna plug all of these wires, plugs. They're kind of difficult to take off, so just gotta be patient with them. Okay, so ours already popped out, but this would come off the trim. And it's just held on by these little clips. Just press on them all around. So it's the seat controller switch, and this is the driver's side. And that's your mirror switch control. Pry these up and they'll come off. Alright, so we're going to be removing a door panel now. There's a hidden screw right there, right behind it. And I think we're using a T20. No 20, da? Okay, this is T27 Torx. There's a cover right there, and there's another T27 Torx right under there. You have one right there. And you have to take off this plastic cover as well. We're using a T20 Torx to take this little plastic cover. This sits right over the door actuator. Now we're just popping out all the side clips from inside the door panel all around. And when you're taking it off, once you get off the clips, you just have to lift up the door panel. Something else is holding on. Should have to do this one, just from this one. You just lift it up and it pops out of the door handle. Alright, so it's the door panel, it's already off. So once you unscrew all the torque screws, it's held on by these plastic clips all around. And that's the one we use the plastic wedge tool to pop them out of. It's kind of hard to focus on it really.